Okay, I'm in the neighbor's house. And one of Carmen who lives downstairs. That's a stove, I don't know why. I'm headed outside. It's P-Day, happy Monday. That's my comp showering upstairs. Where's the bird? Where's Perry? Perry! Where's Perry? Well, this video was supposed to be about Perry. I don't know where Perry went. Where's Perry? Where's Perry? Maybe she's inside. Or he. Maybe he's inside. Let me check. Where is Perry? ¿Dónde está su pájaro, hermana? ¿Está adentro?
¿No lo encontraste?
No, ¿está afuera?
Sí.
No, no puedo ver.
¿Y ahorita que andaba afuera? Bueno. Bueno.
Oh, ahí está. Gracias. He's hiding. Oh. Hello, Perry. My friend. Yep, you're an angry bird. Don't bite me. Okay, gracias, mana. See, this is Perry. And Perry likes to bite me. Okay, boy. Gracias. I had some flowers. The hermana gave me. I've been feeding Perry peanuts and nuts, all sorts of goodies to try and get him to like me. Hey, Perry, why don't you get up here, like, so that everyone can see you, huh? Oh, Perry. Here, have some flaxseed. I don't understand. Are you angry? Yeah, you're angry. You don't even want to eat them. You just want to break stuff. Are you even eating it? Oh yeah, you are. You're just super skilled. He's actually eating the sunflower seed. He's super good. Perry is 10 years old. They say that these birds will live to be 90 years old. Look, I just gave this bird like 6 sunflower seeds. Now watch. Don't bite me. Let me pet you. Don't bite me. Let me pet you. The amount of Carmen can pet him and put him on her hand, her shoulder, her everything. I'm gonna try something. You just have to yell at it. Hey. Hey. Such an angry bird. Because normally it's like above, and if you yell it, if you say "Superte, superte, superte," and you yell it really loudly, it does it. It likes to be commanded. But that's Perry. One day we're gonna be good friends, Perry. I can feel it. But for now, you hate me. I shouldn't say hate me. It hates everybody. The only one that likes is the hermano. But yeah, I'm working on that. Okay, bye Perry. Say bye Perry. Nope. I want to bite me. To the end of the camera. Get over here. Get over here, bird. Nope. Can't. It's mad. Do you hear that? It's like growling. It's like such an angry bird. Okay, well this video is nice and long. I'll upload it today. Have a good day, everybody. Love you. Bye.